Hello and welcome back to the lesson 5 of our Excel tutorials for beginners to advanced level. In our previous lesson, we were looking at how to apply font styles to all these words in Microsoft Excel without any challenge. So in this lesson, we are going to continue and do some other formatting in this particular Microsoft Excel application. But if you are meeting me for the first time, my name is Foster. I'm the founder and the CEO of the Jufos IT Service Academy. We have a lot of videos on our YouTube channel, the Jufos IT Service Academy, on how to create a school management system. We have a lot of videos on Microsoft Excel tutorials for beginners. We have a lot of videos on how to develop an SBA system. So if you want to get the channel, the full videos on this particular channel, you quickly go to the browser that you are using. If you are using Google Chrome, you are using whatever, just quickly launch that browser and type the name of our YouTube channel, Jufos IT Service Academy. This is the name of the YouTube channel, Jufos IT Service Academy. So when you type the name of the YouTube channel, this is what you see. This is what you see. So these are some of the videos that we have on this channel. The podcast here contains all the videos, all the episodes that we have on the channel. So when you click on it, you should be able to see these 4 podcasts appearing at the homepage or appearing on the channel. We also have full courses here. So when you click on courses, then you see these courses here. It is a full course on how to create a school database system in Microsoft Access, and then a full video on how to create a school management system in Microsoft Excel VBA. Then we also have this playlist appearing here. It contains all the videos on how to develop a school management system, videos on how to design an SBA system using Microsoft Excel, how to learn tips in Microsoft Excel, the current course that we are running, Microsoft Excel tutorials for beginners to advanced level. So please locate the playlist, locate the podcast, and watch all these videos on our channel, how to create an online store. We have all those videos on our channel here. Make sure that you watch them from the beginning to the end as we move forward to upload important lessons onto this channel. As I was saying in our previous lessons, we have a system that is being designed. We developed a system like this. So let me quickly open it. You have it like this, a school management system. This is actually a school management system that was developed by the Jufos IT Service Academy. So this is the homepage of the school management system. In case you need this particular system, you just have to call or WhatsApp the numbers appearing on your screen. Then this system can be given to you to manage your school. So you click on the login button like this to log in. If you don't have an account, you can be able to sign up. So JJJ, then your password, you confirm your password, then you click on sign up. So when you click on sign up, you see a welcome message here. Welcome here, sign up successful. It should take you to the dashboard of the system where you see a lot of things. So let's quickly move. Take this course very serious so that at the end of the day, you'll be able to design something like this, something nicer than this one. Good. So let's quickly continue and apply our formatting to the various words that we have in our worksheet. So I launched my worksheet like this. This is the worksheet that we were using. Sorry, all those things are gone, but we are going to insert another thing. So we have Ghana here. Then we have Accra here. Then we have Kumasi here. Then we have Ho here. So These are names of towns in Ghana. This is the name of the country. This is the name of one region, like this, like this. So we want to apply some formattings to these things here. We want to increase the font size of all this. We want to increase the font size of all this. So what are we going to do? We need to quickly go to the home tab. Then you see this icon. This is increase font size. Then this one, the smaller one, is decrease font size. So the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you select the cell. You select the cell that you want to work on. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to follow the lessons carefully so that you can understand everything without any challenge. Good. So select it like that. Then we click on the increase font size like this. Please have you seen that the size of the Ghana there is increasing? It is just increasing. Good. Let's move to the Accra. We are going to do something on the Ghana cell. So let's move to Accra. Then we go to the home tab. We want to increase that font size too. So increase, 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 increase. The more you click on the increase font style icon there, the name of this particular region or this particular community also increases. So let's come to the Kumasi here. Kumasi, we go to the home tab, increase font size like this. Please have you seen it? It is just increasing. It is just going just like that, just like that. It's okay. So let's come to the last one, that is whole. We click on it like this. We come to the increase font and decrease font ribbon. Click on it, click on it, click on it, click on it like this. Please have you seen it? The font size is just increasing without limit. Good. Now that we have increased the various font sizes of the various words, we need to do something. Obviously, that when I click on this, they are all appearing. All alphabets are appearing in different columns. We don't want them to appear in different columns. We want all of them to appear in one column. This side of the Excel sheet is the column. This side is the column. Then this side of the Excel sheet is the row. So we want to see those words in just one column. So what I'm going to do is that I'll come to the top here. Please have you seen it? Make sure that this particular mouse pointer turns to something like a plus sign or a cross. Then you left click and hold. You press the left button on your computer keyboard. You don't leave it. Make sure that your hand is on it. Then you drag this particular column to whatever you think you want to move it to. Then you leave it. So please have you seen that now the Ghana is appearing in just one column. Then we come to the Accra too. So you go to the top here. Make sure that your mouse pointer turns to something like a cross or something like a plus sign. Then you press the left button on your keyboard. Don't leave it, just hold it. Then you drag it to wherever you think will be okay for you. Please have you seen it? So that is how you change or you increase the column of a particular worksheet. That is how you increase the column of a particular worksheet. So let's come to the whole here. Let's come to whole. Then we repeat the same thing for whole too. Please have you seen it? Have you seen that the whole is also appearing in just one column? So that is how we increase the sizes of columns in Microsoft Excel application. So we don't want this video to be long. We would like to end it here and continue in lesson 6. So please do the same thing and send it to the numbers appearing on your screens on WhatsApp for marking. See you in lesson 6. Bye.